McDonald style hash browns, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the snack recipes, and one of the most easiest methods to make the hash browns, and one of the most different of the breakfast recipes. Today we're going to make McDonald's style hash browns. We have taken 3 small potatoes, peeled and cut them into small pieces. We have soaked them in water so as to get rid of the starch. Now sieve off the water containing the starch from the potatoes so as to get rid of the starch. This will make the potatoes more crispy. Do this 1 or 2 times so that all the starch in the potatoes is removed. Heat the pan and pour in 10 to 15 ml of oil. Salt the potato pieces. Fry them. Salt thoroughly so that the moisture from the pieces is completely removed. This is to make them more crispy. Salt them for 2 to 3 minutes. Put in salt to taste. Usually 6 to 8 grams of salt is enough. Put in some half a spoon of mixture spices. This is optional. Mix. Salt and mix for 6 to 8 minutes until the potato is nicely cooked. The potato pieces are nicely cooked. Salt and mixing. Now the potatoes are nicely fried and in a stir fried level. Now after they are cooked, let them cool down to further make the hash brown. Now into the fried potatoes put in 50 grams of cornstarch, now mix the potatoes nicely with the cornstarch. Thoroughly mix. Put in 10 ml of water. And mix thoroughly. Until the mixture is nicely mixed. Now make them into equal portions from the dough that we made. Make them into equal portions. Now make these into rectangular square shaped hash brown shapes in the palm of the hand. This can also be done using a roller pin. Do this with the next ball. Make this into the rectangular shape of the hash brown. With rounded edge, and these can be then fried. Now all the pieces of the dough have been made into the hash brown shape, and these can be further fried to make the Mcdonald style hash brown that we are making now. Heat the pan and pour in 20 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Now put in the hash brown into the oil. let it fry in the oil. Turn it over. Let it fry further. Turn it over again. Keep on turning from side to side until the hash brown becomes golden in color. Turn it over again. Now the hash brown is slowly turning golden. Now this can be taken off the pan. and onto the plate. Do this with all the rest of the hash browns until all of them are done. Put in the next hash brown. This is the final McDonald style hash brown, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg snacks recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the snacks recipes and one of the most easiest methods to make the hash browns and one of the most different of the potato recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the breakfast recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.